let's understand what is read depth in NGS analysis. Read depth, which is also referred as sequencing depth, is a number of times a specific nucleotide in the genome is sequenced during an NGS experiment. It represents the redundancy of the sequencing data at a given genomic position and is critical for ensuring accuracy and reliability in downstream analysis. These are the key features of read depth. It usually measures how many sequencing read overlap a particular nucleotide or region in the genome. Higher the read depth provide increased confidence in base calling and variant detection. Adequate read depth ensure accurate alignment, reduces sequencing error, and improves statistical certainty for SNP, indels, and structural variant. The average read depth across all genomic positions is often calculated to assess the completeness of dataset. The high read depth is especially important for detecting rare variants, analyzing heterogeneous sample, for example, tumor biopsy, and identifying subclonal mutation in cancer diagnostic. These are few of the factors influencing read depth. The number one is sample type. For example, tumor sample of mosaic genome may require high read depth to detect low frequency variant. Apart from that, experimental purpose. Application like de novo genome assembly or copy number variation detection demands higher depth to ensure robust result. And the another factor is sequencing platform. Different platforms like Illumina and PacBio offer varying read length and depth based on their chemistry cycles. Now let's understand the benefits of high read depth. The number one is error reduction. High depth minimizes the impact of sequencing error as correct reads statistically overweight the erroneous one. Moreover, variant detection. It enables identification of rare variants present in low frequency. It also facilitates the detection of insertion, deletion, duplication, and SNVs by observing deviation in coverage pattern. There are few challenges associated with that, like excessive read depth can increase cost without proportional benefit for certain applications, whereas uneven coverage across the genome may lead to underrepresentation of specific regions. Although read depth is the foundation concept in next generation analysis that directly impact data quality and interpretation, its optimization depend on experimental goal and sample characteristic. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So if you are interested in NGS data analysis training and research project, kindly contact the team of Molecular Informatics.